Week 2, How AI Works. Welcome to Week 2 of our AI course. Last time, we learned what AI is and where we can find it in daily life. This week, we'll look at how AI actually works. AI learns by finding patterns in data. For example, when you watch videos online, AI notices what you like and suggests more videos you might enjoy. When you talk to a voice assistant, it listens, learns your words, and tries to understand what you mean. AI doesn't think like humans. It learns from examples. The more data it sees, the better it becomes at guessing or solving problems. We'll also explore how AI can be creative. It can write stories, draw pictures, make music, and even help design things. You'll get to try a few simple AI tools to see how they work. By the end of this week, you'll understand how AI learns, how it makes decisions, and how it can be used for creative ideas. You'll also feel more confident using AI tools on your own. Get ready to explore, experiment, and have fun learning how AI thinks.